Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm rocking and rolling on a new roof here, and I'm gonna attempt to do some serious shingling. So I've got some sections here. I've got about 35-40 bundles worth of sections right here that I've got laid out already. Lots of valleys, some obstacles, not too much, but we're gonna see if we can get this thing rocking today. See what we can get done today. Well, it's 14 bundles on so far. Got finished up this side, a few bundles there. Finished that side. Coming up this valley here. Woo! Well, folks, that's 41 complete. Starting this side right here. Just finished 41. Completed that side, that valley side. Both these valley sides over here. Completed this triangle over there. And 3 bundles on that side. Yeah. Well, I got 46 bundles on.